everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking a little bit about sherry vinegar. True sherry vinegar is actually made in Spain from sherry wine, and it's used often in Spanish and French cuisines. The wine itself is aged for at least 6 months, and the resulting vinegar is usually aged from anywhere from 2 up to 10 years. So the older the vinegar gets, the darker the color it becomes, the more complex the flavor is, and of course the more expensive it will be when you go to buy it. You may or may not find it in your grocery store, but it does have a bright, deep flavor and would be something to behold. If you have a recipe that calls for sherry vinegar and you can't find any or don't want to pay for it, wine vinegar can be used as a substitute just as well. Best uses for sherry vinegar include using it to flavor beans, marinara or tomato sauce, soups, snap peas, tomatoes, and even green salads. Now, if you have food sensitivities, sherry vinegar is naturally made from grapes, so it's going to be naturally gluten-free. It will contain some naturally occurring sulfites. If they don't bother you, that's great. You want to check the label and make sure it has no added sulfites to it, which may complicate matters for you. Do let me know if you have any questions or comments. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.